In the previous lecture, we have seen how to apply filters and loops in the templates. Now, in this lecture, we'll see what are the cycles in the template and how to use it. How we can implement cycles in our template and where we can use it. Okay, so let's try something different. Just like we need to define some class, namely like bold, and we need to define it over here. So just style, and just in this style just define the dot bold. This is how we can define a CSS in the template. So just bold, font weight is bold as well. Okay, fine. And also we want to define a bold font weight. Just let's keep it simple. So just save it and go through this. Okay, this will bold the whole list which we have declared. So let's just make a condition in our class, so with the use of filter. So just keep a condition if for loop dot counter, and let's make add 1, and if this will be even, this will be odd. If this odd, then it will bold, then it will call the bold class. So after this end if and just save it, go to this. Okay, just we need to define style is equal to font weight bold. Okay, fine. Okay, so just save it and okay, so add 1 and it will give me all the bold fields. But if I use the other filter which is divisible by 2, just save it and okay, it will give me the bold letters with the odd, which is even, it will give me the even counter as odd. And if I put the 3 over here, then it will give me the divisible by 3 as a bold. So this is how you can play around in your templates, and this is very important whenever you design your project and something like that. So another thing, if you want to define just like for loop dot counter, it means just like if we want to define for loop dot first if in the if condition, just like this, and percentage, and if for loop dot first, then it should show me first item. After that end if, just save it, just go this and okay, fine, great. So this will give me the first item as a first item. So this is also how you can play around with the template filters with condition. Okay, so you can go through this and you can declare any condition over here and something like that. Just add 1, you can bold it out the whole characters. Okay, fine. So this is how you can play around with this. And also let's just copy this and just paste this to show you something different. And I don't want this condition anymore because this is something interesting which you want to show. Is just remove this. Okay, fine. So just we can use this class by the we can use the bold class by the cycle object, cycle cycle, by the, this is just like if condition, and you can use it by your convenience, just like cycle. I want this cycle after the 1 inverted comma, so it will give me the bold letters alternatively. So just save it. Let's just try it. Okay, so test and demo. It will give me the alternative as because I have passed the one inverted comma and this is another. If I pass the another inverted comma, it will give me the third bold letters respectively. It's like save it and okay, fine. So if we iterate another loop just like this and tab, and we'll end this in here just like this, and just put this in one tab. Okay, fine. So just save it and go through this. Okay, so alternatively this will give us third, after that third there's 1 2 3, after that 1 2 and third bold, 1 2 and third bold, 1 2 and third bold, just like this. So this is how you can iterate, and you can use a cycle in your project whenever you want to provide a condition based on the cycle. So this is very interesting stuff. If I put one inverted comma extra, then after this is a bold, it's like this, and refresh it. Okay, third, after that second, this, okay, fine. So this will give me some interesting stuff, so you can play around it with your own, by your own. And this is how you can use a cycle just like if condition. So this is basically if and cycle and loops. So if you're in doubt, let us know, otherwise keep going. We have seen what are the cycles in the template and how to use it, how we can implement cycles in our template and where we can use it.